No, see. So what is the meaning of characteristics of coordination complexes? It is also called as Werner's theory. Werner has given 4 points. So let us go for one by one. Right? There are there are two types of valencies. There are two types of valencies. Valencies. There are two types of valencies, which are which which are primary valency, primary valency, and secondary valency. So this is the first postulate or first important point of Werner's theory. There are two types of valencies: primary valencies and secondary valencies. Number second point. Primary valency. Primary valency is primary valency is ionizable. It means we can ionize it. Primary valence is ionizable. We can ionize it. We can make ion from primary valencies. Secondary valency. Secondary valency is opposite, non-ionizable. Non-ionizable. Okay, this is a very important. Means when we dissolve any coordination compound in a water, there is no ionization of secondary valence. Only primary valence undergo ionization. That's all. Okay. Third point. Secondary valency. Secondary valency is also called as is also called as is also called as coordination number. Coordination number is also called as coordination number of complex. Coordination number of a complex. It's a very important point. Secondary valency is also called as the coordination number of complex. Coordination is Cn, in short Cn, coordination number of complex. Okay? Or, or it is also called as coordination sphere. It is also called as coordination sphere of complex. So it is a coordination sphere of the complex, or it is also called as the non-ionizable sphere. It is also called as non-ionizable sphere or zone. No problem. Right? Fine. Next. Continue with this. Primary valency. Primary valency. Primary valency. Primary valency is called as ionizable sphere. So like we can say there are two types of valency, primary, secondary. So there are two types of spheres, ionizable sphere and non-ionizable sphere, right? Last most important point is secondary valency. Secondary valency. Secondary valency is a directional. Secondary valency is directional. What is the meaning? That is it defines hybridization and geometry. The secondary valency defines hybridization and geometry, right? Yes. Geometry of geometry of geometry of complex. So let us summarize again. Coordination complexes are first time studied by reported by Werners, and therefore these are the see there are few more postulates are there. According to Werner has given the idea that there is a central metal atom and surrounding it called as the ligands. Just we have seen. So there are four important points under this characteristics of complex or Werner theory. First is there are two types of valencies: ionizable valency, non-ionizable valency. Ionizable valency is also called as primary valency, or non-ionizable is called as secondary valency. So you can. Next point is what secondary valency is also called as, or it defined it exhibits the coordination number, or we can say the number of bonds around the CMI. And this is non-ionizable, and is called as also called as a non-ionizable sphere. Primary valence is called as a ionizable sphere. Yes, we can say there are two types of spheres, or we can say there are two types of zone of a central metal atom, right? And the last most important point is secondary valence is directional. That is, it defines the hybridization and the geometry of the compound, right? So this is what about